Welcome back to Sparklets Learning. I am Teacher Roselle, and in this video, our topic is about teaching CVC words. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of the letters of the alphabet are consonants. So, if we have the word cat, C is a consonant, A is a vowel, and T is a consonant. So CVC. Are you interested to find out ways to make this lesson interesting? Come and explore with me. The first step is to review the short vowel sounds. You should have the letters on a table or on any flat surface and ask them to say the sound. A, E, I, O, A. You can make it like a, e, I, o, a. Then repeat again, a, e, I, o, a. You can also let the children sing songs from the internet or integrate sign language as you review the vowel sounds, like a, e, I, o, a. Normally, the children struggle in differentiating the e and I sound. You can give them tips like e, elephant, I, igloo, because sometimes they interchange. So when they are struggle here, say igloo, igloo, igloo. So they will say I. Here, elephant, elephant. So they will say e. The next step is to start blending all the letter sounds together to make a word. A, p, map, b, egg, beg, k, eat, kit, x, box, sun. You will do the same thing with the other words. So you can do it this way. Cat, cat, b, I, b, bib, k, a, p, cup, s, x, six. Let the children read the flashcards again and again. If they are still having difficulties in reading fast, they can still sound out in order to read the words. Just flash the cards and they will read. For vocabulary development, let them match the word to the right picture, like wet, log, bag, bag, hen, six, cup, bug, and the rest of the words. You can do rote reading as a drill. Rote learning is the process of memorizing information based on repetition. You can do it by group or individually. For those in group setting, make it a contest to motivate the children to focus. The winners can have some star marks, stickers, or any token as a reward. If you have some centers in the classroom, you can let the children work as a group. Say you divide them into 4 groups, and the groups can work on different activities. Here are some of the sample activities that you can do. Missing letter cards. So you will have letters provided, and the children will put the missing beginning letter. They have the clue here because there are some pictures. So this is a cat, so k, cat, hen, f, in, d, and run. So they will be able to complete the words correctly. The second one is CVC puzzle. You have to cut the card into 3 parts and let them and mix the cards together, and let the children find the missing parts and put them together like this one. The third one is say it, spell it, write it. Writing is integrated in this activity. So the children will pick one picture, say the name, bat, and then we'll make the name or spell the name, B-A-T, and then they will copy it, they will write it. So that's say it, make it, write it. The last one is reading and matching. So we did this a while ago. We used these cards and these cards too. So it will be very easy for the children to put this one on the floor and match the correct words. If you are working with your child alone, then just do one activity at a time. The resources for CVC words and picture cards can be downloaded for free in the link below. Resources for the other activities can be easily found online. Just type in CVC word puzzle and missing letter CVC words, and a lot of options will be there. You can always be flexible in presenting activities. So that's it for now. We hope that this will help you in teaching, whether at home or school. Our next video will be about reading CVC words and sight words together. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give us a sparkling like and click the subscribe button. Make sure you are notified by clicking the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.